1-800-FANDANGO. Now powered by Bing 411. Do you want a chance to win $50,000?
No, I don't. No. Hey, shut up. Hey.
Every vote earns you points for great prizes. Start playing now. For more information, say text me the info.
I don't want the info. I want to see a movie.
Del Norte. If that's not right, say go back. Say a movie name.
What did you say?
Or say find a theater or new releases.
Wait. What did you say?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Say a movie name, or enter at least the first 3 letters of the title, followed by pound. To find a theater, press 2. For a list of new releases, press 3. Just so you know, you can always use the telephone to make your choices.
Hey, do you have, Corey Mr. Safety?
I'm sorry, I still didn't get that. Say a movie name, or enter the first 3 letters of a movie title.
Hey.
To find a theater, press 2. For new releases, press 3.
Do you have porn? Does it have porn?
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding. If you know the name of the movie you want, just say it. To get showtimes for your favorite theater, press 2. To hear about new releases, press 3.
Do you have Battletoads?
Please try your call again.
No, don't hang up on me. No, don't hang up on me. Don't hang up on me. Alright, time for round 2.
1-800-FANDANGO. Now powered by Bing 411. Do you want a chance to win $50,000? Then play Predicto, the hottest new mobile game everyone is talking about. Every vote earns you points for great prizes. Start playing now. For more information, say text me the info.
I don't want to play your stupid game, Kay.
Do you want to look in and around Del Norte? You can also enter a Theater Express code followed by pound. Or for driving directions and free 411, you can say Bing 411.
How about what if I say 911?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. If I should look in Del Norte, Colorado...
Whoa. What's Del Norte, Colorado?
Well, if that's not right, say go back.
What? No, wait, what did you say?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Please say a city and state, or enter a zip code. You can also enter a Theater Express code followed by pound.
What if I say Colorado Ballsack?
Alta. If that's not right, say go back.
Go back. No, wait, shut up. What if I want, like, candy or something? Can I get candy from you guys?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Say a movie name, or enter at least the first 3 letters of the title, followed by pound.
Hey, can I talk now?
I'm sorry, I still didn't get that. Say a movie name, or enter the first 3 letters of a movie title using the telephone keypad. To find a theater, press 2. For new releases, press 3.
Do you have, Beowulf? Do you have Beowulf?
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding. If you know the name of the movie you want, just say it.
Yeah, I do. Hey, I do. I want to see Beowulf.
Please try your call again later.
Don't. You suck. I feel your pain, man. Alright. One more try.
FANDANGO. Now powered by Bing 411. Do you want a chance to win $50,000? Just play Predicto, the hottest new game everyone is talking about. Every vote earns you points for great prizes. Start playing now. For more information, say text me the info.
So if everybody's talking about that game, how come I've never heard of it until I just called you?
Do you want to look in and around Alta? You can also enter a Theater Express code followed by pound. Or for restaurants and other services, you can say Bing 411.
What if I say, no, I already said that. How about you give me the Halo movie?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. If I should look in Alta, Utah, press 1. For a different location, press 2.
2.
I'm sorry, I still didn't get that. If you want to look in Alta, Utah, say yes or press 1. Otherwise, say no or press 2 to pick another location. You can also enter a Theater Express code followed by pound.
Well, no, I don't want to see it, no.
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding. To look in Alta, Utah, press 1. If you want a different location, press 2.
I don't want, no. I want to see a movie now, like on my computer screen or on my cell phone. Can I see that?
Try your call again later.
No, no, hey, no, please, no, no. Fuck you. Feel your pain, man.